Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. This is Pittsburgh Unboxing. This just came in. Kathy's taking a nap. And on the snap front, the federal judge about 3 hours ago ordered Donald Trump to issue full SNAP benefits by tomorrow. Find the money somewhere. Well, Trump said, up yours, federal judge. He has now appealed to the U.S. Court of Appeals, so we'll see what happens with that. I don't think President Trump is thinking things out because people have long memories. They vote with their pocketbooks, but they also vote with their tummies. And if they can't feed their kids, they can't. Seniors are saying, I'm only got $55 for food for the month. Midterms are coming up, and they could lose control of the House and the Senate if they're not careful. And there is word from the Senate they're going to vote again for the continuing resolution or whatever they call it. And they think that they can reopen the government tomorrow. We will see what happens. All right, this is Pittsburgh Unboxing, and this will work with any... there goes the camera going nuts again. This will work with any... I think the connection is loose because it's fallen on the floor too often. This will work with Macs and PCs and laptops and Windows and doors and portcullises and God knows what else. Let's see. Okay, compatible with Windows XP 2003, Vista 7.8, 8.1, 10 Linux, and Mac OS. No need to install driver, just support plug-and-play USB-C 3.0 transmission, USB-C 2.0 transmission. You just unplug it. So you unbox it and plug it in. So I got to find my game. I don't know where I put it. I think it's over there. I haven't moved stuff since Kathy came in here and threw her bag and made the pile move. Because my sinuses and knee have been causing issues. So, alright. This is it. And this is really cheap too. I forget what I paid for it. It was under 20 bucks. Okay, now get this thing out of here. I have to use a scissor.
Tomorrow, there will be lots of clouds, with a high of 72 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 54 degrees.
That's nuts. It's fall every day, darker, earlier in the evening, and, one day at a time approaching winter, and it's 72 degrees, which is crazy. Okay, still having trouble with this. Alright, got the plastic off. Plastic shell. Okay, and they give you a little... the world's tiniest manual. One page. There you go, the manual. The plastic. And let's see. Only one problem. Oh, there it is. Okay. How do you get the cable out? Very carefully. Okay, they have a niche to store the cable. There's the cable. You plug it in, and it should work. So it's DVD player. And now when I find my Civilization 3 complete, I can plug it in. I can watch a DVD movie on a 25-year-old laptop. Alright, SONY VAIO works fine. And let's look at the channel numbers somewhere. Let's see. 1,531,895 views, 19,732 subscribers. I don't know why my subscribers are leaving in droves. Hello, Bellamy the cat and all the kitties. Hello, Billy and all my channel members, thank you for being channel members helping feed the kitties. So this is the pop-up mobile external DVD read-write drive. I can take music and store it on disk like I used to do in the old days. I can't remember the program that used to be. There used to be a Mac program that would allow you to burn your own disk. So I'll pull the laptop out, plug it in, find my game, and do a video on that, let you know if it works. This is Jordan Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Gonna have my coffee, something to eat real quick, and go out and feed the kitties. Kathy is taking a nap, and we'll see what happens. Now, according to the news, I have to verify that tomorrow. Contra Costa County will be giving out full SNAP benefits on Monday at their employment offices. We will see the mob that's going to show up there. I'm sure there'll be, that with 107,000 people in the county, it might be, I'm going to film that, it might be like 25,000 people showing up for cards. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Have a great night. Stay cool, stay hydrated, stay safe, stay warm, and watch your diet. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now. See you later. Thanks for watching.